Mommy going to catch the birdie. There. Go there. Oh, Junior, go to Junior. Junior, go to Junior. Junior. Mommy going to catch the birdie. Ah, me, all birdie flying. What happened, Umar? Where's the birdie gone? Where?
Flying there.
Flying where?
It's a birdie. Why is it flying?
Flying?
Yeah.
Umar can catch the birdie. Go catch, jump and catch.
I want to catch a birdie. I want to catch a birdie. I want to catch a birdie.
Go jump. Wait, let them sit down. Stay here. Sit down. The birdie gonna sit down here also.
Huh?
Wait, sit down, don't walk. Birdie gonna sit down. See? Now birdie coming. Going to be sit down. Birdie coming to sit down.